everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. Today we are making a delicious carrot cake with powdered.
One of my mother-in-law's favorite recipes, and it's literally to die for. So if there's one recipe of ours that you are going to try, this is the one. Thank you, Nancy, for giving us the recipe, and we are going to start. So the first thing that we do is we take flour, and we're just going to sift it into the bowl. So this is just to remove any clumps. Then I'm going to add all the dry ingredients together, some sugar, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. We're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. And we are also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of powder, just to add something healthy to this recipe. So now that that's well mixed, we can add 4 eggs, one at a time. We're also going to add oil. So now that everything is mixed, put it back into the original bowl. Now we're going to mix in the carrots so they're finely grated, and then we're going to also fold in the raisins. So this is going to go in the oven at 350 for an hour. And in the meantime, we are going to make the cream cheese icing. We're putting cream cheese, 8 ounces, it's a small pack, a whole stick of butter, vanilla, icing sugar, we're going to add, this is 500 grams, I'm just going to add it slowly. And you just mix everything until it's smooth. Now that it has cooled off and we have our icing, we are just going to add the icing to the cake. I've already started. And once this is done, we are going to taste it. And here we have it. So good. This is really the best cake ever. It's amazing. Thumbs up from us. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.
By the way, just to let everyone know, Damiano, who is our videographer, photographer, is actually a chef as well. So
he's laughing at us as we're
looking at us, and he's shaking his head right
I'm not shaking my head. I'm enjoying this.
At the end of the day, what I want to say is if we're able to do these recipes, guys, it's easy for you guys to do the recipes. That's what we're doing. This is like an I Love Lucy video, you know?